I want to prepare for you a poaches dressing. To prepare this dressing, I crack the eggs right over the water. It takes a second. For me, what makes a great restaurant experience, I think, is the moment where you are. I put the 2 eggs in the blender, and then I will add Dijon mustard and also old-fashioned mustard. I don't have to be in a 3-star restaurant to feel that I had a genuine, wonderful experience. And now turn the blender on and start to blend the eggs and the mustard. Add the oil. A great moment is when you don't expect it and it over-deliver in a way. So you see, you have this perfect coating dressing. It's perfect for a steamed vegetable, a steamed fish, and you can mix it in many different ways. So this is a basil pesto, or even making a little curry base and put that into the dressing as well.
I love what you said, that it doesn't have to be fancy, and I think
No, a great dish is refined and delicious and very simple, just like 3 ingredients.